Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series videos of Total Quality Management. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the case study used for the performance appraisal or performance evaluation of the employee. So in the previous lecture, we learned about what is performance evaluation or performance appraisal, why it is needed for the employee or who is working in any organization, and what are all the benefits of the employee appraisal, and what happen if it is biased or incorrect appraisal. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the case studies used in industries used to measure the performance appraisal. So when you think of the performance appraisal, it has various advantages. So not only in the case of career advancement, lot of financial benefits can be happen for the employee. So some they can able to receive some kind of incentives like production incentive, annual target achieving incentives. So these are all the additional cash benefits that can be used for the employee to assess the performance after assessing the performance appraisal. And it is the indirect way of motivating the employee rather than finding fault with the employee. And it will promote the internal competition. So that competition is not a tough competition. It is the good and friendly competition with other colleagues who are all working under the company. And it is used to scrutinize of employees, like categorize the employees based on the performance level or the knowledge level. It is not only finding fault. So some employees need full attention, or some want need additional training. So those people can be categorized based on the assessment. So if the people want additional training, that can be provided by the management, or if the people want additional kind of motivation, if they are already performing well, the motivation will be given to the specific employees. And it provides the statistical information about the employee in the form of ratings. So we have a numerical data, we can able to generate the data based on this assessment rather than the qualitative data. And finally, it is useful for the development of the employee. So when you go for the performance appraisal, the people may be initially struggling to grasp the knowledge, so they are in the poor category. And if you assess the well, they will be shifted from poor category to developing category. And if the additional trainings were given for the employee, then they will move to developing stage to good stage, and finally they are in the outstanding stage. So everyone, we want outstanding employee, but that the things are not possible in industry. So we need to provide sufficient training for the employee so that they can shift from poor to developing and good to outstanding. And this is the flow chart which explains about the key elements of effective performance management. So performance management, it is used to assess the process and performance of the employee for the effective performance management of the system. So for that, we need to clarify the objectives used for the assessment, and we need to incorporate the culture for the assessment. So it is the indirect way of motivating the people rather than finding fault with the employee, so that the learning organization or the learning process can be started from the employee. So it is also useful for the managing the people who is working in any organization. Finally, if the performance of the employee is satisfied uh, based on the measurement. So there are various measurement techniques used to measure the performance of the employee. So if it is well and good, then rewards, promotions can be given for the employee. And it is not only the role of HR, it is the role of each one of us working in the company. So this is the flowchart which clearly indicates about the how the performance management can be performed in the industry. So next we'll discuss about the benefits of the employee involvement when we go for the performance appraisal. So employees make better decision. They can able to take decision using their expert knowledge of the process. What you call the appraisal or the management of employee. So they can able to take a right decision, and they can able to find where they are lagging, and uh, it is we can able to find uh, possibilities of improvement, and we can able to pinpoint the areas of the improvement of the employee, and employees can better able to take immediate corrective actions if they are lagging in the process or lagging with the system. So they can possibly probably they'll take immediate actions for their improvement. And this reduces labor management friction. So as I already told to you, it is not the thing of finding fault with the people. It is the way of suggesting the improvement for the people. So it reduces the friction between the labor and management, and it also increases the morale of the employee involvement used in the industry, and it also increases the commitment of goals because they already involved in the process. They know uh, where they are lagging. So these are all the references for this presentation, and I thank. I would like to thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.